Did you know that you could pair your Bose Quiet Comfort 35 with two devices at the same time? I just discovered this cool feature the other day and I decided to light up the camera and show you exactly how to do it. So let's start the video. Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions with another how-to video for you today. The feature that I'm about to show you today is going to work on both QC35 and QC35-2. You might be asking yourself, why would I need to pair my QC35 with two devices at the same time? The way that I personally find this the most helpful is when I'm working on my laptop on some editing project and I want to be connected to the phone, but I don't want it to be next to me at the same time so I don't get distracted by the notifications. However, I still want to be able to know if someone is calling me and if the call is important. So the way this works is, let's say I'm working on my laptop and there's a call coming in. I personally have Siri, or if you have Android, you can use Google Assistant. It immediately tells me who's calling. It goes straight into the headphones, and then I can decide if I want to answer or not. And if I do, it immediately, all the audio comes into the headphones from the phone call. It works extremely well. When I hang up, it goes straight to the audio from the laptop. So now, let me stop talking and let's get straight into showing you how to do it. By the way, if you want, you can get the Bose Connect app to your phone and have a little bit more options between toggling with the two devices, but you don't really need it. And in my opinion, it works better even without the app. So I'm going to show you the easiest way, which is going to be without the app. Okay, so the first thing, if you have never paired your headphones to any device, you want to pair them to the first device. So simply turn them on. And then in order to put them in pairing mode, we're going to push the power button towards the Bluetooth logo, which is basically pushing it to the other side, and hold it for about 2 seconds. You'll also see a light turning blue in here. That means it's in pairing mode. So now I'm going to pair it into my phone. All right, so you're just gonna go to Bluetooth, and then devices. I'm gonna wait for the Bose QC35-2 to pop up right here. I'm gonna click it. And now I'm connected to the first device. Now, when you're connected to the first device, you want to connect the second one. Simply do the same thing again. You're going to push the power button towards the pairing action and hold it for 2 seconds. The light is going to turn blue again. And now I'm just going to move to my laptop and I'm going to connect it to the second device. All right, so now I'm just on my laptop. I'm going to go to add Bluetooth or other device. I'm going to go to Bluetooth. And here it is right here, Bose QC35-2. It's connecting and that is it. Now, the Bose QC35-2 are connected to both my iPhone and my laptop. So now when both of the devices are connected into the Bose QC35, whenever there is a phone call going on, it's going to automatically push it into the headphones. So let's say you're connected to two devices, which are going to be two different phones. Whichever phone is going to have a phone call, it's going to always prefer the phone call and push it into the headphone sound. If you want to toggle between the two different device sounds whenever you choose, you got to make sure that you do one thing. Let's say that you're watching a YouTube video on your laptop and then you want to toggle to the Spotify on your phone. You got to make sure that you pause the YouTube video before you move to your phone. If you run the audio with both devices at the same time, it won't play them simultaneously. And not only that, it will make the transfer between one device to the other a little bit buggy. So you want to make sure that you pause one device, wait about 5 seconds, and then press play on the other device, and it will work pretty much flawlessly. 99 times out of 100, it will work perfectly. So let's say it is acting up, and on the first device you press pause, and then the other one you press play and it doesn't work. What you want to do, basically on the second device that you just pressed play, you want to refresh it. If it's the app, let's say Spotify, and it's on your phone, you want to close the app and open it again. And if it's the computer and it's YouTube, you just want to refresh the page. You don't have to close it completely, just refresh it and it will usually work. But again, as I told you, 99 times out of 100, it will work exactly as it should be. Wow.
Nailed it.
By the way, if you've been watching this entire video and you could not concentrate because these two Bose QC35 are so damn sexy, then I am sorry. But you can make your Bose QC35 look this sexy as well by getting these ear pads from our website. And for today's video, I'm giving away a 30% off coupon. Simply click the link at the top right corner right now and go grab your coupon. And that is it, everyone. I have been Orphan Wicked Cushions, and you've been you. Let me know if you found this video helpful by dropping a comment down below. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. And I will see you on the next video.